Welcome! In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to find and analyze keywords that can drive traffic to your site. We'll explore the key metrics you need to make smart keyword choices for your campaigns. Let's start by navigating to the Keyword Research section from your dashboard, which will take us into Keyword Explorer. Go ahead and enter a keyword or phrase that's relevant to what you're trying to rank for. For example, something like best coffee works great if you're in that space. You'll want to choose keyword as your search type here. Before we move forward, make sure the United States is selected as your target market. This ensures you're getting data that's relevant to your specific geographic audience. Now hit Analyze and we'll pull up all the keyword insights you need. Here's where it gets interesting. You'll see critical metrics like search volume, difficulty score, organic click-through rate, and a priority score that helps you identify the best opportunities at a glance. That's all there is to it. You now know how to research keywords and evaluate their potential. Feel free to run through this again anytime you need a refresher.